Guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of your Gmail account. So the process is really easy. I'll show you how. Let's get started. First of all, you'll have to open the Gmail app on your phone and be sure you're logged into your account. So here's the message box, the mailbox of your account. Now on this page, you'll have to tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner. Mine is just a black background, so I'll tap on it. Then on this menu at the bottom you can see the option manage accounts on this device. Go ahead and tap on it. And here you'll simply have to choose any account that you want to log out of. I'll simply choose the first one. Then here tap on the remove account option. As you can see here, removing the account will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from the device. If you still want to continue, you'll simply have to tap on remove account. And as you can see on the screen, the account has been removed from our device. If we go back, the account will no longer be available. That means we have been logged out of our account. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.